Many consider Chypre the most beautiful of all perfumes. So with the Chypre, you have two very different elements. You got the Oakmoss on one hand, right? Very dark element, and then you've got the bright Bergamot on the other hand. And in between these two elements, you have suspended usually flowers and spices. And I'll get to that later. So let's try this accord right now together. We can build it together. Oakmoss is very strong and very powerful, so I'm going to put 1 drop of Oakmoss, and then I'm going to put 7 drops of Bergamot. You can do however you like. You can do 1-to-1 or just test things out, but I do feel that the Oakmoss is far more powerful than the Bergamot. And remember, Bergamot will last maybe 15, 20, 25 minutes on your tester strip, and the Oakmoss will definitely, you'll be able to smell it maybe even a week from now, because the Oakmoss is a base note. So let's go. A clean tester strip, right? You always want to smell the tester strip first, make sure nothing's on it. And I'm going to take this Oakmoss here. You can see for yourself, very thick, very dark Oakmoss. This is a I believe this one's at 20%, this tincture here. Very dark element, okay? And I'll take 1 drop here. You know what? I'm gonna go 2. I'm gonna go 2 drops. So 2 drops Oakmoss. Very dark. Smells like moss, you know. Smells like wet bark on a tree. Slightly mushroomy, you know. You get that wet forest smell. And then I'm going to take this Bergamot, okay? And I'm going to put 7 drops here. 2 directly over my Oakmoss. 1, 2. 2 in the middle. 1, 2. So that's 4. 2 on the far sides. 6, and there we go. So we have approximately 2 drops Oakmoss, 7 drops Bergamot. So what happens here is the Oakmoss makes the Bergamot darker, and the Bergamot makes the Oakmoss brighter and sweeter. The Oakmoss, it tints, it arranges, it influences the Bergamot in a way that gives it depth. And then the Bergamot, what it does is it breaks up the density of the Oakmoss. The Bergamot gives a floral aspect, it gives a brighter aspect, and it sort of brings the sunshine down into the forest, the deeper elements of the Oakmoss. So what next, right? What's the next thing to do? Well, let me erase my board and I'll give you the formula, basic formula for today's reconstruction interpretation of Mitsouko by Gurlein. And just to give you a heads up, what we're going to do is we're going to suspend some flowers and spices in between the Oakmoss and the Bergamot. So we're going to have some floral and spicy middle notes with a fruity citrus top, and then the darker elements, the woody and deep forest elements as the base notes. So let me write up that formula for you right now. Flowers suspended between Oakmoss and Bergamot. That's pretty much what a Chypre is. Okay guys, so here's our simple Mitsouko formula. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not the real formula. This is not even close to the original real formula of Mitsouko, okay? The purpose of this video is to help really very beginners just sort of pick out and understand what a Chypre is, and to understand what Mitsouko kind of smells like. Now, with that said, this does smell somewhat like the original, okay? It's not too far off, but it's not the same thing. I'm also not claiming to be some professional perfumer. I am 100% self-taught. Okay, with that said, here we go. The top notes, we already did 7 bergamot, right? I already got that. And to this, we're going to add 1 peach because Mitsouko is very famous for the beautiful, beautiful use of peach in it. And so the peach, 1 peach, 7 bergamot for the top notes. And then here we've got, these are the middle notes, right? These are the flowers. These guys here are the middle. 1 ylang, 1 rose, 1 jasmine, and plus we're going to add a little bit of spice to it, 1 drop of cloves. And then finally, here at the bottom in the black, we have the Oakmoss, which we already did, 2 Oakmosses. To that, I'm going to add 1 Civet tincture, which is, this is my 3% Civet tincture. It's a bit strong, but for today's purpose, it's fine. I'll do a video on Civet later. And then we're going to do 1 Vetiver. So 2 Oakmosses, 1 Civet, and 1 Vetiver. And this is going to be our simple Mitsouko type formula skeleton, basically a perfume sketch. Okay? So again, I have on this already this dynamic arrangement of the 7 bergamot and the 2 Oakmoss on here. And I'll tell you, this smells like a perfume in itself. It's a beautiful, beautiful scent. It's very dark. It's like a dark forest. At the same time, it's very bright and citrusy. Really an interesting arrangement. Please study the use of bergamot and Oakmoss together. Just these 2 materials. Smell them and take some notes for yourself. Okay, to this, we're going to add 1 peach. Today, there's my peach. Today I'm going to use something that's called Peach Natural. I think it's by Robertet. And I purchased this from a website called Perfumer's Apprentice. I'll put the link down in the video. So we're going to add 1 peach top note, boom, on here. Wow, just those 3 smell amazing. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, next, let's add some flowers. We're going to add the middle notes. 1 Ylang. Let's go with the jasmine. 1 jasmine. This particular essential oil is at 3%. It's good quality jasmine, so it is quite strong. 1 Ylang. 1 rose, and this is the Rose Accord from Perfumer's Apprentice. It's quite nice, actually. I do like it. It's very soft. Okay, and next we have 1 cloves. You can also use uegenol. E-U-G-E-N-O-L. It's the same material, basically smells very similar. So 1 spice element here. And we're going to add 1 vetiver. Today I'm using vetiveryl acetate. It's a little bit softer than regular vetiver. It's vetiveryl acetate. It's quite a nice material. I'll drop 1 drop there. And the civet. Let's see if I can put 1 single drop on here. Here we go. Now this civet, it's very, very strong. Civet, if you don't know, it's a real animal musk. This is real animal tincture. It's from the musk glands of the civet cat. Very beautiful animal. And there's 1 drop of civet. Now, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love the way the civet and the rose go together. Very, very nice. So, our simple Mitsouko, on this tester strip here, we have 1 peach, 7 bergamot, 1 ylang, 1 rose, 1 jasmine, 1 clove, 2 oakmoss, 1 civet tincture, and 1 vetiver. This is a simple study of a generic sort of Chypre. I believe what makes this Chypre unique is the use of peach in it. Give this one a try at home. Purchase the materials. I'll leave the link to Perfumer's Apprentice in the description. Have an awesome day and keep exploring flowers and perfumes, and go outside and smell yourself some. Explore the world of scent. This is Matt signing off from Vancouver. Have an awesome day.